Good day, Madam and Sir. I am Ronaldin Evangelista, 32 years old. I'm from Batangas City, Philippines. I'm high school graduate. I'm single parents with two children, ages 11 and 8 years old. I work as a housemaid in Philippines for 4 years and two employers. My first employer I start January 2018 to May 2020. I served one couple and one kid, special child, aged 2 years old. My second employer started January 2022 to March 2024. I served one couple and two kids, ages 13 years old and 4 months old baby. Hoping your kind and consideration, Ma'am and Sir, to choose me as your helper. Thank you and God bless.